Everyone, I wanted to do something different with this corner. So I don't know if you can see it, but I have this really cool picture that I've had that I got at Ross. This little table that I've had for a long time. It's just a really cool table. The lamp I've already had. So I wanted to cover these wires. So I got this piece right here at Hobby Lobby. I think it was probably on clearance, but I thought I can use this to cover all those wires. So let's see how this would work. Maybe you wouldn't see it as much, but it is there. Not too bad. Okay, then I had gotten these, which are pretty cool. These are, it says Kadena. I don't know if you can see them. I got, these were 3 in a little plastic bag at Goodwill. Now, I see things in plastic bags. You can't always see what they look like, but I'm always intrigued by it, especially if it's cheap, like if it's $2 or $3. And these were just metal, and they're all different shapes, but I thought these would be cool anywhere that you put them. Look at that. It's got 3 different shapes. It's got a round one, a taller one, and I'm sure I only paid $2 or $3 for the whole bag. So I'm going to use these also to decorate over here. So I'll probably put the taller one in the back, the shorter ones in the front, and I'm going to put some flowers in them. So I got all these flowers. These all came from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Definitely, I don't have any tags on them, but it's hard to say where they came from, but probably Hobby Lobby. I love their flowers. So I'm going to put them right here. But there we go. I like the way that looks. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. Then I found this wreath at Goodwill, which I thought, look, it's enormous. And it was like $7, and I was like, yes, I will take it for $7. How cool is that? It's got the lavender in it. So I thought it really went well with my little lavender that's right over here with the different pieces. But I always think this looks so pretty. And I'm going to probably show you an up-close photo. So hold on. So here's my little corner. I love the way it looks. It's just very, very unique. And I love the picture. And of course, the great looking heather wreath that sits on the door. Love this picture. I've had this picture forever. But as you can see, I think it looks really, really good. Hope you've enjoyed my little corner here. Here are the cute little vases. And this black lamp actually came with the house, so it wasn't really mine, but it does fit. So here we go. There it is again. And here it is as you walk into my front door. You can see what it looks like. Just my little corner. I've already staged this little section of my home. As you can see, I'm going to tell you what I did to it. But all of these items, except for my picture and the little white mirrored behind that, I've had it, so I'm just using it to stage it. But I'm going to show you the pieces that I got at Goodwill, and they should already have their little price tags on it, I hope. But look at this one. This is really cool. It is, I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing this with my hand. $7.99, but I paid $4 for it. It's a pretty unique piece, isn't it? And then this one, look at this one. This is, I'm going to take the this out so you can see how cool the patina is on it. And it's actually metal. And I don't know if it has a price on it. It doesn't, but I did get it at Goodwill. But I love that it has the green. And it's not rust color. It's like a bronze. It's like a shiny bronze, but you can't tell with the camera. But it's such a unique piece. I mean, I don't know if you can sort of see it. It's like a bronze and it's shiny, but how pretty is that? I love this piece actually. I don't think I could actually sell this. I mean, I could sell some pieces, which I'm going to try. But then my next one is this really cool, it's like a Mexican type piece. It's pottery. It's very, very heavy. I don't know if the price tag is on it. It is. It is $7.99. It's very heavy. It's very unique. It is a gorgeous piece. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it's very heavy. I don't know if I could sell that one either. So I get a little bit like connected to these because they are so cool. But isn't that gorgeous? It's got some of the really cool texture. It's got, you know, bumps on it, and oh my God, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Goodwill, guys. All of these are Goodwill. Then the last one is this tall one also, and this is pottery. And this was from Goodwill, but I'm not sure how much it was because I lost the price. But it's like a brown. It's got texture to it too. It's got the ripples in it. But how cool is that one? And that one's the flowers I got at Hobby Lobby. It's my favorite store to get really cool flowers at. They have cool flowers, guys, so run on over there and get some. And of course, this right here, I'm going to show you. See this? I got that at Hobby Lobby too. And I'm going to just put it into here, sort of stage it in my pot, and I'm going to pull it back so you can see how cool it looks. Okay, there it is. Love the way this little corner turns out. All right, here's my other little corner, which sits beside this one. And as you all know, I am not a minimalist. I'm a maximalist, and I don't even apologize for it. It's just who I am. So I got these really cool brass, as you can see. These were in a bag. These were in a bag at Goodwill. As you can see, I didn't clean them or anything because it does have that little vintage effect. And there were 3 of them. They're 3 different sizes. As you can see, they're very, very cool looking. Again, I got another one of these. This one is made out of glass, but look how cool this is. This is the same greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby. But this statue, I'm going to take this out for a minute so you can actually see it, because it is also a really cool one. And it is very, very heavy. I'm going to see if I can put it over here so I can sort of highlight it for you so you can see. Look how cool this one is. So cool. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if I have a price on it. I do. It was $9.99. And I probably paid $9.99 for it. I was like, nope, I don't think I'm going to wait for this one to go half price. I like it so much. So I'm going to put this back over here. Love the way it looks. It's one of my favorite pieces. I love that it looks vintage. It looks old. Whether it is or not, I don't really care. But I just like the way it looks. So that was a really cool piece from Goodwill. Now, I know you're probably wondering what this white thing is. This white tree, it lights up. So at night, it lights up the whole room. We'll see. But I got this really cool thing, too. This is one of those. It's made out of, all right, I paid $7.50 for it. It looks like almost like a Chinese landscape. It's so cool looking. And I just put some of these, and I did get these from Michael's because they had them on sale, so I think it looks really pretty. It's sort of wispy, very wispy. Like I said, I am not a minimalist, nor will I ever be. Yeah, there it is. So you want to turn off this light so they can see? Look how pretty that is. So this lights it up at night, and we don't need any lights in here. So you can see how pretty this corner is. This was one of those, I got this at Christmas time a couple years ago at Walmart, and I just use it year round because it gives me light in some of the corners, and it just makes everything look gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you will comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you would hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification bell, and you will see us in the next video. And take care of yourself and each other, and have a blessed day. Bye.